In today's video, we're taking a look at this DREO Omni Directional Oscillating Fan. It comes very safely packaged in the box with all accessories included to set up the fan quickly and use it right away. The user manual also helps with providing basic instructions on how to use this fan. It requires very little assembly in order to get this up and running. As you can hear, it's pretty quiet. Very nice, and this is where your aroma pad goes. You'll just put a couple of drops of oil in here. A really nice fan housing right here, which is actually easy to disassemble and clean if you need to clean the grill or the backside of it and the fan itself. The fan turns 120 degrees horizontally left to right and 100 degrees up and down and covers a pretty good area. So it's got a really nice design. We have the controls on the fan itself. The power button is right here, and this is the speed selection. It goes up to 8 and then actually up to 9 and then a turbo mode. And at the highest, it puts out plenty of air and it's actually not that loud. The whole operation of the fan is very quiet and I'm very impressed with it. When you select the oscillating direction, you are basically selecting how far you want it to go. It goes up to 120 degrees left to right and 100 degrees up and down. And you can reduce that at level 1, for example, it'll just go up to 40 degrees up and down and so on. You also get a really nice remote, which is glow in the dark, and you have the same controls on this unit as well. It's got this remote holder. My overall impressions are very good of this fan. I really like this design. This concept is amazing. Evenly spreads air throughout the space. It's just amazing fan. It's quiet. It has turbo functions. It has a remote. It is easy to maintain and clean. It's got a beautiful appearance. And honestly, it's just a fan, but my list just keeps going on and on. Now, one of my favorite things about this fan is that the housing or the whole grill is easily removable. All you need to do is just remove the screw at the bottom. You will see an arrow at the front. Then twist the front grill to the left. It'll also pop out as you do that. Then remove the fan nut and you twist it in a reverse position of the usual thread. So you're going to twist it right to remove and left to put it back. And then remove the fan. Then there's a plastic nut that holds the rest of the grill. That's easily removed in the usual direction. And then the whole thing comes off, ready to be washed, rinsed, brushed, whatever you want to do. This is a huge plus for me. The other fans that I've had, it was much more work, a little more complicated, and sometimes it feels like it's too much work. With this one, it's straightforward and super easy. So check it out. If you like this one or similar model, they are available on Amazon and other stores. I will include my Amazon affiliate link down in the description below. You can check out the price and see if there are any current deals on this model or a similar one. I did pay around $100 for this fan, but it usually costs anywhere around that. Sometimes there are deals where it's going to be about $70. If you have one of these or similar, let me know what you think. If there is a different model that you really like that has a similar concept, I'd like to know. Please comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourself a great day.